support Everton for you.
But if you be Chelsea fan, if Everton they play City, you go become Everton fan, ba? You know they carry them for tickets. Okay, make I give out Everton jersey, but I go ask Leicester City question. Now, who scored the first Champions League goal for Leicester City?
That question too easy.
You dey carry them for tickets, ba? Oh yeah, now. Who scored the first Champions League goal for Leicester City? Their first ever Champions League goal. No, you failed it. No.
Mahrez.
Wrong.
You get her.
Mahrez?
Mahrez. No.
No.
Who scored the first goal for Leicester City?
Champions League goal.
For Champions League, where they play just on Wednesday.
Yeah.
No. Make I go this direction. I want to ask you something.
What?
Abralisto, Kojo, contribute. Okay, wait, don't drop them. Okay, bros. Albertine. You say Albertine. Drink water. But this question is easy now.
Already?
Wait. We never get them, but I'll answer the question. The name now all Brighton.
Exactly.
Now he scored the first goal.
All Brighton, yeah.
For Leicester City, their first ever UEFA Champions League goal. But I'm going to ask them one simple question. Okay, we know that Ronald Koeman might be the coach for Everton.
Yeah.
Who be the coach for Everton when they start last season? No, you don't answer question before you fail out.
Oh yeah, now.
Okay, bros.
Roberto Martinez.
Maybe that clap for that very easy. Now easy questions we ask you. Alright, I'll go to the next one.
Okay, make I give out Manchester United. Wait now. This one is their long sleeve jersey. Make you tell me 5 United players who don't wear the number 7 jersey. 5 of their players who don't wear the number 7.
Number 7.
Number 7.
No, you don't answer question before. Bros.
What?
Eric Cantona.
2.
Michael Owen. Cristiano Ronaldo.
3.
Sia.
What?
And David Beckham.
5. Thank you.
George Best said we're number 7 for Manchester United. Brian Robson said we're number 7 for Manchester United. David Cantona, David Beckham, and God Maria said we're number 7 for Manchester United. Valencia, even if already inspired for Manchester United now, then he's fine. Whether they pay, we're number 7 for Manchester United. Change it, no one like the next.
Okay, finally for this section, make I give out a Borussia Dortmund jersey. Tell me the Borussia Dortmund player, they listen to Borussia Dortmund player when joined their biggest rival, but he can return back this season.
Wait.
Show you any question?
Wait, come on, I don't know if people for this side. Maybe no answer, wrong. Okay, wait, this side, look at this voice. You understand the question? Amaka, ask the question again.
Borussia Dortmund player when go join their biggest rival, but he come back to Borussia Dortmund this season.
Very good. Wait. Mario Götze. The pronunciation correct. For the first letter, wrong. No, Okay, somebody wants to answer from this direction. Okay.
Mario Götze.
Correct. Make una clap for her. Make una clap for her now. I don't know if she win the jersey. Extra large jersey of Borussia Dortmund courtesy Z Sports. And wait, before we go, I want to ask one local question. Before I go ask the question, I want to ask who they lead for the Nigerian Professional Football League now? No reward. I just want to know who they lead. Who they lead?
Ranger.
Yes.
River United.
Yeah. Okay. No wahala. Now, I want to ask the first 4 teams for the NPFL at present. Now, I want to give this with courtesy of Cintron Energy Drinks. Anybody look at this question? Easy. Or like 4 in 1. Number 1 at present is Enugu Rangers. Wayne followed by Rivers United, FC Fanyuba, and Wiki Tourists. Now, I don't mention 4 clubs. Enugu Rangers, Rivers United, FC Fanyuba, and Wiki Tourists. I beg, tell me the coach of these 4 clubs. Easy now, because all of us now, if I say make you mention the last 4 coaches for Chelsea now, you go talk now. If I say which year they found Chelsea, you know how. Which year they found Enugu Rangers, some of them don't know. You mentioned 2.
Yes.
But I'm 4, I want to try.
For River United, we get Sammy Emery. We get Sam. For Enugu Rangers, we get Imama
Not in Aruba, you have a the shade you hear today. Okay, make I ask this guy, Cholo Victor. Okay, tell me these 4 clubs that you have not mentioned. No? If you don't feel old before, what? This is not Cholo Victor. No sports show this guy really contributes to. So if you don't know how, you fall out. Mentioned before. Okay, make I reduce them. Okay, we don't say Ikorodu United and beat Enyimba 3-2 on Wednesday. And before that time, they win Caterpillars 4-1. And even before that time, they beat Atland away from home 1-0. I bet who will be the coach of Ikorodu United? Sorry?
John of Holland.
I go give him. You know correct. In name na Theophilus de Jong from Holland. But at least for making the endeavor, I will give you 1 pack of Cintron Energy Drink. Maybe not clap for him. You know all those questions. But at least the guy is trying. I beg. No wahala.
Dance my banshee, they look at banshee. I live there, I'm glad I like to be the banshee. See them looking at me, I want to go back to that. One family, one live there, big guru Maraji. Dance my banshee, they look at banshee. I live there, I'm glad I like to be the banshee. See them looking at me, I want to go back to that. One family, one live there, big guru Maraji. I live there, I'm glad I like to be the banshee. One family, one live there, big guru Maraji. Welcome to the streets, till I feel my body done up with the beats. I'm in the beat, I'm part of the beat. I'm in the boss, I'm in the back door, yeah, I'm in the game. I'm the voice of the streets, yeah, I'm the voice of the streets. I'm in the beat, I'm part of the beat. I'm in the boss, I'm in the back door, yeah, I'm in the game. I only look up to God, I only look up to God, Baba God punch you. Looking down on these niggas like what they gon' do. Move I go soon, when I put me punch you. Baba God quit, just so you can't you. I terrorize in the street. Niggas can't talk on me, so they pray for my death. I'm wearing on my shoes, you see I'm for my head. AK-47, go back, manage my check. Why you waiting for my album? What's your wrong, man? What's the balance in the studio? What's your boss? Anything. You love me, whiskey, I'm on the voice, anything. But anyway, I see where they go, for anything. All I ever see me look at, tell them where you're the anybody tell my friends, shout on the streets, don't care for their eyes. Right there, bye bye. Maybe we could roll to, we could be the next one, you ain't got it. Love, God, I love, and still in love. Maybe we could chill to love, I know. Maybe we could jam. Maybe we should throw this. Ain't matter of time, I'll be your husband. Baby, you sweet note. Baby, correcto. Baby, correcto. Baby, correcto. Baby, you sweet note. Baby correcto, baby correcto. Let's fly away, let's fly away. You and me go round, let's fly away. Let's fly away, let's fly away. You and me go round,
I see people for. I say, if it I see you, Prof, I see you. You will probably dance this night. If let's say, and let's into the system. I never seen excited like this for a very long time. You're a great guy. Of course, I see Sabina and family. And I welcome. Welcome, Godwin, I see you. Who are you there? That's where we did that. For real, I see you, my bro, man. My brother in Ghost Face. Yeah, but not dancing. Alright, no time for dulling. Back to back with the heat on and like say tomorrow on there. So they talk to you right now. So we still on top in Niger FM Sports Matter Jersey Jump. So no dulling. I mean, just the habit and see people who are on Jersey for there. If I went my own do my own referee. So right now, we will say without further ado. I like to speak English. Want to bring someone when we say one cause problem on this stage this evening. Now our guy, whenever I enter stage, they cause problem. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. Not gonna give it up for my guy. He won red card for you. He goes by the name, Enroshaw.
I know it's night. See I can make it. Oh, cause I'm right. I'm in the motion. One day and night. Don't try to stop me. Cause I'm fine. See, now I'm feeling. I'm not sweet. What you believe in, so it's gonna be. See, I can feel it. And you will see. I see you. Now I'm going on so strong. There is nothing to lose. I didn't tell you now. What you said, there is nothing to lose. Are you hearing now? Let's go now. Well, I want you to do something. Once you see. Everybody. What? You don't block boss. Let's go now.
Scorer for the Nigerian Professional Football League. He don't score 18 goals. And our 3 round of matches are remain. Now, I want to ask one simple question, very easy. Now, who will be the highest goal scorer for the league last season? And how many goals did he score? For the NPFL.
For Undo.
Salam. How many?
17.
Bon France here. And he suspects you. Well, make I give him. Clap for him. Make him clap for him. But I was alive, he scored 17 goals. Welcome. I am Ruben.
For Bayern Munich. Come.
Who?
Number 10.
Wait, she gets.
Yes, 10.
Make him clap for him. Last. Okay, Real Madrid jersey. Make I take one very easy question. You know, so my questions are easy. I'm not gonna ask them, so that you will not get it. Okay, Zinedine Zidane.
Yes.
He don't win
Champions League as player and as coach. Now, which club he win with and what year? As player, as coach, you don't win the Champions League title.
Okay, first tell us the year we win as a player.
And the year we win as a
Tell us the year we win as a coach. Two. 202.
Then 2002.
Okay.
As a coach.
215. Which club?
Madrid.
Which year you become the coach for Arsenal? Now, easy. Okay, now I don't ask you a question. Easy question. Oh yeah. Okay, who the Arsenal fans there? Where the Arsenal fans? Yeah, my Chelsea, two are my Chelsea fan. You know the Arsenal, you were England. 1989. 1989. God in Allah, you're showing the year. You are a Ghana, okay? 1996. I mean, we're gonna clap for this guy. We're gonna clap for this guy. We're gonna clap for her. Well, he try, he get out, make him get out. We're gonna not worry, still trust student and we still win. Right now, what call on? Effective. Where you dey? Questions still dey open to ask and you get plenty dash we wan give. And the grand prize still dey for una to win the return ticket courtesy of Harry Care. That one sef go happen very very soon, but before we continue, make I introduce to una Mr. Ife Salafo, producer director extraordinaire is Shayabi. Effective, wetin show you? BVIP Cabana. Wetin that show you? Okay, flange. Make una come from abeg.
Yeah. Okay, there's someone at those states so they will just see me because I know say I have disappointment physically. My voice big for radio, so when people see me, then they dey naturally disappointed. Na so you small, na so I small. Na so I small, I don't pass this way. But came out wella. You understand? Na so we do our own thing. Yeah, thank you. For my fans, see my fans there, very clap. I see another fan here, thank you. Thank you very much. And I went down. Alright, now sports matter we dey. But me, I don't know anything about sports. But they support Baka. Anytime we back, Baka! And I know they plenty. I know. It's scandal. Chelsea. Arsenal. Now they plenty pass. But why I know they win? Arsenal, why I know they win? They do why? One by each. Then they win, and then they carry league. They say on a bench right now, first four. Then they carry league. Now wow. And I need to change level. I mean seriously, you don't need to follow club where they give you attention. Just don't join back. And I will for life. And I do. So as I talk go, they ask question that time say who be the club where did they play against? Me I answer from back. I tell them say na Yimba. I don't understand this club thing, but it's okay. Sport na good thing. If you sabi am, how many people dey play ball here? You sabi play ball really. You dey play ball. Stand up. I mean, give that guy light. Go see him face. Yes. See am. And I don't see him. Make them smile. Make them see your teeth before I jump into our talk. If you enter football now, which age you go say you be? Make I see person. Oh yeah, talk. Yes. Under 18. Hey. Hey, sit down. You are my pa, you know to age, you know too far. On 19, everything about football they can lie. Taiwo, go dey for London. They celebrate 23 years. In brother go dey, they celebrate 38 years. How? Twins. How? Miracle when they happen for football. But it's okay. What if I just want to tell all of you this night and say, any club where you support the club with all your mind, and then try to get your facts well. I know they join sometimes because the kind of people when they say that they bust up every morning. I beg. No, they join them. Because they don't get post up. Person will never chop. That day, you never even know what you go eat. You go post up, go to shout. We buy Ponga. We bought him $100 million. This guy don't have money to chop. They come up with the job, we. He said, my boy, Moshe Ramon Milanoni, more than 48 million pounds. When you shout finish, you go come out, go meet the newspaper seller. 20 naira, man, you go be sorry. You know, big shout out to all the fine girls in the house. Please put your hands together for all the ladies in the house. Put your hands together for them. I know why. Yeah. If they had to find women who like football. If they had women who like sport. If they had smoke. You know, they can ask a kind question and I know that question how they be when they come. You know, man just get on this gist before I come over here. You get on my friend like that, when we say the babe, anything football she know they like. We just be the house. We know when our guy toast this girl. We know when he toast the girl. So the girl will come out. We did the watch ball. She could just come. Say the next thing. Say now wow. Why your friends scattering your house like this just because of football? Now, ladies and gentlemen, underline your house. Underline that with your. So our friend come do now, come propose to this same girl. The next thing we see they watch our football. The girl come, change the matter. See, look, Wally, I don't like all of these things that you're doing. Why are your friends scattering our house? We will be here when this house be your. Now it don't become our. Don't be there the matter end. The worst part of it, all of us still go do everything, prostrate, marry this same year, call house. Because they say our friend now, because he go the house, bam, and then matter change. They don't marry now. This same girl don't come enter house, see us the watch ball. The next thing, oh, Wally, I don't like all of these things. I don't like all of these things. Why will your friends be scattering my house? I said, hey! From your to our, now we waiting my house. Yeah. Now we know where that. No blame them. They are lovely people, nice people, and beautiful people. So me, my name once again, the effective Baba, the effectivity when you do the activity for the activity. Making that they enjoy the sports matter they go as they be. See, man, just telling you one thing, no shame. If DJ Kentucky begin play music, stand up, dance. You bring your money enter. Even if you borrow the money, enjoy it. When you go out to borrow, you pay back.
Every day we Christ, I'm looking at the billion. Maybe go ask anyone. I be the king for my hood, I don't send nobody. I do payment, Jaja Moshe. Every day we spend money, all the girls never come beyond. I do payment, Jaja Moshe. Every day we spend money, all the girls never come beyond. Correct, I'm always on cash, so I'm never going broke. Oh, so stressed, so I feel me like feel my beat, back on drugs, though I feel my beat, coming out drugs, though I fight for the fight.
As all of them they enter, they give a ticket to me, then they collect something back. So now what do we do? The person will go now. Location of the tourist, if it be Abuja, if it be Owerri, if it be Maiduguri, don't go visit Boko Haram. And if you get place of your choice locally, Nigeria to fly you, and I'll call Godwin and my program's director, Baby Olateru Olabeki. I beg you to clap for her. I beg you to clap for Baby. She go pick. Wait, this one for so that we will feed one sharply. So bring out your tickets now. Don't be a Jero. Jero is here. So bring out your tickets. Alright. You don't shuffle out.
I don't shuffle and reach, I don't reach. If you never sung before, if you never tried to play before, now your opportunity is one. Ticket don't cost so. One bottle of the try that at 500 naira. One at 250. I'm not trying at 500 naira. Maybe they laugh. Oh yeah. No, they don't get now. One guy don't get that, don't worry.
So don't be sporty.
Okay, let's shuffle and so.
I know this number like
Alright.
Okay. Say the lucky person here.
The lucky person, oh yeah, maybe I'm reading that ticket out. 0, 2, 8, one more digit, make a call again. 0286. Check out again. 0286. You sure? Those plus the members you say here. 0286. No. 02. Wait, you like 0266. Wait, check out well. Make him look at well. 02. Okay. Now you make a clap for now. Make a clap for now. Make a say Ojoro don't waiting there at 0286 and waiting there at 0286. Look at well. Confirm, make you listen. Yeah, bro. Tell us your name. What's your name? Your name is Abdullahi. Abdullahi. Are you in Nigeria? Which state you come from? Kebbi State. Oh, I tell you before we call. Don't worry. If you want to go and go to Kano Airport, at least in the next 90 days, you want to go and go to Kano Airport for Kano. So, Harry Claire, we'll pay for your tickets to and fro. We're not going to call for Harry Claire again. So, what you do now is say you come to our office for 26 Kebbi Street off Awolowo Road. Then we will arrange the e-ticket for you. But come before the end of next week. 26. If you ask for me, Kayode Ahmed or Amaka Okuni, we go arrange and give you now. Well, you know it's here on over 2,000 naira. So now this guy I win the grand prize, the star prize. I'm not going to come again for my program director. Thank you, baby. Who scored the highest number of goals for La Liga last season? Amaka is a better than okay, let's take the answer questions. Luis Suarez. They don't say you know that they tell them, so you don't get them. No, I will ask another question. Okay, got it. Okay, what will we give her? What will we give her? For certain, you say the eyes have vitamin. But you know what? Hope we ask another easy question before we Okay, Bexa, who will raise ball? Yes, very good. Thank you very, very much. Okay, I'll pick one person here. One person here. Okay. So, disabled footballer. Disabled footballer. No, I don't allow you. I don't allow you. I don't allow you. Okay, bro, stop. First half of that. No, you don't do it before. Sorry. Any of the ladies want to try? The man you fan? You want to jump the ball? Okay, no, I don't want to take this direction. The guy in United Chelsea, juggling or ball, are you interested? Come give me the trial, bro, stop. Bro, stop, you this time. Come. No, the brothers United fans, you just come, Shabba the way you come. Okay, better. Okay, now, AC Milan, Manchester United, I want to bring us now. Not just before, but don't win players now. Not just before, Arsenal fan, not just before. Okay, we don't get Man U, AC Milan. We are Arsenal fan. Chelsea, I want Chelsea. Yeah, Chelsea come. Okay, Liverpool. Bros, you are Liverpool fan. Please come and help us show me. You are Liverpool fan. For the fan of the right to show me, please.
Let's go. Wait. 1 or 2 legs. Both. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Where are you? Is that ready? Barcelona. Wait. You don't see where they come on like play ball for free. My friend, where your shoe, though? Oh, where your shoe? I know why you shoe. Messi, they use ordinary leg play ball. Well, ordinary leg for example, Barcelona one do cap. You try very well. To jog ball, if you put it, you no fit. You won't go push you. Wear your shoe, you must wear your shoe. Now football. Now Joro now. Oh yeah. Why would they wait for another wearing shoe? Just talk, maybe that if you go, you not ready. Oh yeah, you know who said you to wear shoe again? 1, 2, Bye-bye. Ball. Now that guy they lead though. When that guy went to 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Now you the lead now 6. Oh yeah. Ready? Oh yeah, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. God, this guy said he before talking about before he hide down. Now these things don't pay us rent, I think. 20. Okay, if you pass 20, yeah. Start. 1. The guy dog 1. Ofu. 1 Ofu. I bet. Chelsea. Okay. Hey! Odoro, go where is she? Where is she? What's what have you beaten record? Too slow. Now slow now. mark 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31. Oh yeah. Okay. No, you don't win now, go. You wear AC Milan jersey, you said it's about Barcelona.
Come on! Come on! Let's go! 1, 2,
shots.
This is like the maddest thing that's about to happen right here, man. You know. Yeah. Getting your money on the beat. Street boss swag. So famous. Hashtag confirm. Money in the back, confirm. 10 double digits, not confirm. Words to die, really not confirm. I want to take over, not confirm. Let it go, DJ. Hey yo, if you guys know you're happy to be here, I want to hear a big roar. Yeah! Okay, let's go. If you're happy to be here, say yeah! You know, if you love Niger FM, say yeah! 102.7! Yeah! 102.7! Okay, now this is the confirmed guy. My name is So Famous, and I want you guys to go along with me right here. Okay? Yo, DJ, let's go. Yo, okay. Yeah. Getting your money on the beat. Street boy swag. So famous. Hashtag confirm. Money in the bank, confirm. 10 double digits, not confirm. The words are down, lady, not confirm. I want to take over, not confirm. But today, they confirm. People will know that they confirm. We dey run till they confirm. We go to go, oh my confirm. Oh my confirm. Yeah, oh my confirm. Yeah, oh my confirm. Oh my confirm. Money in the bank, confirm. 10 double digits, not confirm. World town, then you confirm. I want to take over, not confirm. I'm a good boy with the wrong things. Credibility, no be counting. I got the steez, no be fronting. I'm a hustler, man, no small thing. 10 years deep for this big get. Mama tell me, what's my leg? Nobody go fuck the same race. I'm so damn yeah, too late. So today must be famous. 10 digits to entertain us. The stadium gon' can't contain us. Every funny man gon' be change us. Them say we spread like containers. All the parachutes I wanna frame us. Even the pump I wanna tame us. Tame us, I'm so famous. Money in the bank, confirm. 10 double digits now. Words are